Hey everyone, welcome to Anna's Learning Corner. I hope that you're doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Well, today I'm going to share with you an amazing technique that will definitely help you out to improve your English conversation. What is that? Let's get into it without wasting any time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. Alright, so what you need to do in this technique is quite simple. First of all, you need to observe your surrounding. After observing your surrounding, you simply need to select any random object, maybe a table, a chair. I know I have already told you about this technique. If you are my student, you're already familiar with this technique. But this technique is pretty much crucial for those who don't know how to think in English. It's just like when your mind is tuned in English, it will become quite easy for you to speak English. The problem is we think a lot. When it comes to speaking English, our mind goes blank. It means if we can work on our mind and our mind will become fluent in English, it will become quite easier for us to improve our English conversation and to speak English with fluency. In this technique, what you need to do is simply observe your surrounding. Like if you're at your workplace, if you are in the bathroom, if you are in the room, or if you're in a restaurant, in a coffee shop. So what you need to do is just select any random object. After selecting a random object, you need to start making 5 descriptive sentences on the benefits of that object in English in your mind. And this practice will definitely help you out to improve your English conversation because your mind is directly thinking in English, and when you are making sentences directly in English in your mind, it will become quite easy for you to speak. For instance, you have selected a table, so you can make 5 descriptive sentences on the benefits of a table in your mind. For instance, you can say, we use table to study because it helps us to maintain the posture. Secondly, you can say sometimes we have different kind of tables, the variety of tables. So sometimes we use it as a dining table to eat our food, to have dinner, or to have our meals, because it's quite easy and we can eat our food in a well-organized manner rather than messing up. Third, you can say, I have a wooden table that I use as a coffee table too. So it helps to serve tea in a well-organized way along with the snacks. You see, what am I doing is I am making a detailed sentences that how I use a table. That's what you need to do. You need to make 5, not 2, not 3, 5 sentences. First 3 sentences are quite easy, but 4th and 5th sentence is a bit tricky. And this is a mind workout. When you'll force your mind to think in English, you will see that if you're doing this practice for the next 5 to 7 days, you will see the prominent difference in your English speaking habits. It's all about breaking the previous and building the new constructive habits that will help you to improve your English. So I hope that you like this technique. If yes, then don't forget to implement this technique. This technique truly worked for me, and I hope that it will work for you too. So if yes, then implement it. And after 5 to 7 days of implementing this technique with consistency, one more thing is, try to do this technique. This is called the description practice. So try to do this description practice thrice a day. Because, for instance, you are at your workplace, you have a lunch break. So you can select your lunch and start making 5 descriptive sentences on the benefits of your lunch. Or you have 2 spare minutes at your workplace, or you have ordered your food in a restaurant and you have a spare time. So in those 2 minutes, you can describe the ambience of the restaurant or the coffee shop where you're sitting and waiting for your food. So this practice you can do anywhere. Doesn't matter you are quite swamped in your work, you can do this practice. It's all about the priority. So if you're pretty much serious to improve your English conversation, go ahead, give it a go. So the bottom line is, then your mind will become fluent in English. It will become quite easy for you to speak English with clarity. If you love this technique, don't forget to implement this technique and get back to this video after 5 to 7 days of implementing this technique thrice a day for 7 days, and let me know in the comment section if this technique worked for you or not. If you want to get more videos, the shorter one, then you can follow me on my Instagram named Anna's Learning Corner. The link is in the description below. Show your love and support for Anna's Learning Corner. It means a lot to me. Take care of yourself. Have a cheerful day. Bye bye.